Which of the following is the lightest metal? Correct answer is option C, lithium. Some key points are lithium, soft, silvery, white alkali metal, and it is the lightest solid metal and least dense metal. Silver, it is white, lustrous, smooth, and transparent metal with high electrical and thermal conductivity. Mercury, it is shiny silver white, heavy liquid metal, and that is the only metal which is available at room temperature as liquid. Lead, it is soft, dense, bluish gray, shiny, and malleable metal with the chemical symbol Pb, that is plumbum, and atomic number is 82. Next question. The most important ore of aluminium is? Correct answer is option A, bauxite. Some important key points are bauxite. Bauxite is the main ore of aluminium. Calamine. Calamine is the ore of zinc. It is zinc carbonate and with the symbol of ZnCO3. Calcite. Calcite is the ore of calcium metal combined with carbonate. And galena, it is the most important ore of lead. Next question. The element present in the largest amount in rocks and minerals is? Correct answer is option B, silicon. Some important key points. Silicon is the most abundant element in the earth crust, and it's present in the large amount in rocks, mainly in rocks and minerals. It is also the basic components of sand and semiconductor metals. Another semiconductor is germanium. Carbon is the fourth most abundant element in the universe by mass, after hydrogen, helium, oxygen. Symbol of carbon is C. Carbon is the second most abundant element in the human body after oxygen. Hydrogen, it is the lightest element and the most abundant element in the universe. Next question. An alloy used in making heating element for electric heating device is? Correct answer is option C, nichrome. Some important key points. Solder is a metal alloy with low melting point. One example of solder is lead tin. Lead is 40% and tin is 60%. Alloy steel is a type of steel alloyed with several elements such as molybdenum, manganese, nickel, chromium, vanadium, silicon, and boron. Nichrome is the alloy of nickel and chromium, sometimes iron. It is used as a heat resisting, oxidizing, and corrosions. German silver is an alloy of copper, zinc, and nickel. Next question. German silver is an alloy of? Correct answer is option C, zinc, copper, and nickel. Some important key points are German silver, also known as nickel silver, is an alloy of copper, zinc, and nickel. The typical composition is 60% copper, 20% nickel, and 20% zinc. It is used in jewelry. Next question. Diamond is an allotropic form of? Correct answer is option B, carbon. Some important key points. Diamond is an allotropic form of carbon. It means it is one of the several different structural forms of the elements carbon. Diamond is the hardest non-metal. Next question. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? Correct answer is option B, seawater. The reason of seawater being a best conductor of electricity is seawater is a good conductor of electricity because it has dissolved and dissociated ions. Next question. Balloons are filled with. Correct answer is option A, helium. Some key points are helium. Balloons are usually filled with helium. Oxygen. Oxygen is used in respiration. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is used to make fertilizer, nitric acid, nylon, dyes and explosives. Argon. Argon is used in welding. Next question. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is. Correct answer is option C, aluminium. Some important key points. The most abundant metal is aluminium. Aluminium is the most abundant metal available on the earth crust, making up to 8.23% of all elements in the crust. Next question. Production of chlorofluorocarbon or CFC gas, which is proposed to be banned in India, is used in which of the following domestic products? We all know about CFC. It is very dangerous because it can deplete ozone holes. So here correct option is option D, refrigerator. Now some important facts about CFC. Chlorofluorocarbon is also known as freon. Were used in the refrigerator until 1980s. CFCs are non-toxic, non-flammable and have suitable thermal properties. However, CFC are dangerous to the ozone hole depletions because it can deplete ozone hole. Are no longer used in modern refrigerators. And you all know about it that due to depletion of ozone hole, the UV ray of sunlight comes to Earth's surface here. Next question. The gas used to extinguish fire is. Correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide or CO2. Now some important facts about fire extinguisher. Carbon dioxide CO2 is used as a fire extinguisher because it's incombustible and does not support burning. Next question. In which of the following activities silicon carbide is used? Correct answer is option D, cutting very hard substance. Some important key points are silicon carbide or SiC is a hard abrasive material used for cutting hard substances like diamonds, ceramics, metals, stones and glass. Next question. The element common to all acids is. Option B, hydrogen. So it is the correct answer. Some important key points. Acids. Hydrogen is the element common to all acids. Acids are substances that donate hydrogen ions, that is H plus ions, when dissolved in water. The pH value of acid is less than 7. You know about it. Then that the 7 represents the neutral solution. If it is less than, it is acidic, and if it is more than 7, then it is basic solution. Next question. Gobar gas contains mainly. Correct answer is option A, methane. Some important key points. Gobar gas also known as biogas. It is a mixture of gases that mainly contains methane and carbon dioxide. Next question. The most malleable metal is. Correct answer is option B, gold. Now some important key points. The definition of malleable metal, you know about it, that malleable metal can be beaten into thin sheet. So gold is important malleable metal. Symbol of gold is AU. AU means aurum. Next question. Tetraethyl lead is used as? Correct answer is option D, petrol additive. Some important facts about tetraethyl lead. Tetraethyl lead or TEL is an organic lead compound and fuel additives that was used as an anti-knock agent in gasoline and jet fuels. Next question, which of the following is used in beauty parlor for hair setting? Correct answer is option B, sulfur. Some important points, sulfur. Beauty parlor used sulfur based chemicals to set hair. Sulfur is yellow, crystalline, non-metallic element with medicinal properties. It has some medicinal properties. It helps to hold hair in place for a longer period of time. So that is why it is used in beauty parlor. Next question, which of the following is not a non-ferrous metal? Correct answer is option A, aluminium. Some important key points. What is the definition of non-ferrous metal? Non-ferrous metals are metals that do not contain iron and are non-magnetic. They are highly malleable and resistant to rust and corrosion. Therefore, aluminium, copper, zinc are the non-ferrous metal. Next question, which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Correct answer is option A, bromine. Some important key points about bromine. Bromine is a volatile red-brown liquid at room temperature because its molecule experience strong intermolecular interactions that cause them to coalesce into liquid phase.